People want to touch and feel your software. So Instruqt is really good at guiding them through that experience.
We actually are changing our sales process to insert a stage that's basically while we're working with Instruqt.
We can give them a very clean sandbox experience that removes a lot of those barriers out of their way so they can immediately get into our product and start seeing the value of it.
It gets people from 0 to 60 very quickly.
Set up an invite for them, and then they can run through the features that they're most interested in, and then we can focus that proof of value on things that are unique to their application and ways they might apply those features.
Again, it's kind of that self-service, when I have the time, I'll take a look at this, and I think a lot of people like that accomplished feeling of, I actually did something.
We're getting benefits later in the process because we're not spending the same amount of time on those proof of values. We're answering very specific questions.
When we do pass off the invite to Instruqt, we get the metrics back. So this also gives us visibility into their level of interest in the solution and their commitment to us.
We have a really strong call to action at the end. People leave it and come over to look into buying our product.
As most people know in sales, you can get bogged down in POC or POV activities where people kind of open-end things like, I just want to kick the tires. Instruqt is perfect for that, and we'll even give you the instructions of where to kick the tire. Try this.